Good morning, everybody. Okay, so I am doing something a little bit different today. I know I keep saying that on pretty much all my new videos, but this is actually something quite different. So I've been hired by a local village near me to drive around the village and clean up all their benches. And the majority of the benches are, they're green, a bit slimy. They've got lichen on them. They're just grotty and need a clean. Because the transformation isn't going to be amazing, I'm just not going to bother filming them. But I will film the one I'm sitting on, because this one is shocking. I'm sitting in a lovely churchyard. This church dates back from 1270. Beautiful building, look at that. Lovely. So, this is the bench I'm talking about. Look at the moss around the base. Look at that algae on there. Now, some people might like that. In fact, I've got customers that deliberately like their benches looking like that, but I've been asked to clean it. That's what they want me to do. So, yeah. So I'm going to get rid of all of that, bring it back to the wood's in pretty good condition. So yeah, just bring it back to a nice sort of colour. Get rid of all the moss. I'm going to do this in real time, because otherwise, if I sped that up, it'd just be a 30-second video. So yeah, I'll do this in real time. I'll try and get the backdrop of that church in while I'm cleaning. Okay, so let's do it. that has come up superb. I mean, the metal sort of frame could do with being repainted. It is black with green underneath, but yeah, I mean the wood is lovely and clean now, so people can sit on it. I don't think they would have sat on it before with all that lichen, but who knows. Anyway, let's turn you round. Look at that, almost like new. I'm not going to say like new because it's not, but it's nearly there. Yeah, happy with that. So I brought 1,000 litres with me today, and I thought it'd be enough. I've got 4 more benches to do. It's 2 o'clock now. By the time I go home and fill that water butt up again, it's going to be what, 3, half 3. It'll be dark soon then, so I'm going to have to come back and finish those other ones off tomorrow. But that's the one I wanted to show you. The others aren't really worth recording. They're not really that satisfying. This one's quite a satisfying clean, so I thought I'd show you it. Anyway guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you probably on a roof clean or a driveway clean next time. Cheers.